Qigong healing sounds. Qigong healing sounds are associated with the different seasons of the year and the different organs that are front and center in those seasons. The first one is the fall sound, which is H-I-S-S-S, and it's for the lungs. So if you want to touch the lungs and go hiss, get all the air out. Hiss. One more time. Hiss. The next one is for winter. We're going to put our hands on our kidneys because that's what organ it's attached to. The sound is C-H-U-U-U-U-U-U. It's chew. And we can bend down a little bit when we say that. Deep breath. Deep breath. Deep abdominal breath. And then put your hand on your liver. Your liver is right underneath your rib cage on the right hand side. And the liver is spring. And the liver is shh. And maybe you feel that. Shh. Shh. And then the heart. This one you can really, really feel. You just want to feel the vibration of H-A-A-A-A-A. The next one is the stomach. Put your hands on your stomach. Put your fingers in your belly button. And go H-O-O-O-O is ho. Balancing and purifying your stomach. Ho. Ho. That's one trip around the sun. That's 1 year. 5 seasons. In Qigong, there's 5 seasons. There is fall, winter, spring, summer, and late summer. Each one has an organ. Each one has a sound, and actually each one has an emotion attached to it. So you're doing some emotional work too. Thank you.